Don't throw away eggshells just yet. Simply pour Coca-Cola on them, and you'll be surprised by their amazing use, saving you so much money you won't need to go grocery shopping as often. Simply combine eggshells with a bottle of Coca-Cola, and you can perform this trick. Watch until the end of the video to learn these helpful tips. Tip 1. First, prepare 2 bowls. I will put the egg yolks in one bowl and the eggshells in the other. Eggshells are rich in calcium and organic matter. Throwing them away is incredibly wasteful. First, put the eggshells into the grinder and grind them until very fine. Eggshells not only create a powder rich in calcium and organic matter, but the grinding process also helps keep the grinder blades sharper. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After grinding them, I divided them into 2 parts. I put about 300 milliliters of Coca-Cola in the blender. At this point, the Coca-Cola combined with the eggshells will create a frothy layer. Soak it for about 10 minutes. While waiting, I put a pot of water on the stove. Turn on the stove and boil the water. When the water boiled, I opened the lid. Then I prepared 100 grams of shrimp, which I had already peeled and washed. The shrimp are cut into small, bite-sized pieces. Next, use a sieve to put the shrimp into the pot of boiling water to blanch them briefly. After blanching the shrimp, add them directly to the bowl of eggs. Next, separate the kernels from 1 ear of corn. Tip: use scissors to separate the corn kernels more easily. After separating the kernels from the cob, put them in boiling water and blanch until cooked. After the corn is cooked, add it to the bowl of eggs. Next up are shredded carrots. Finally, add the finely chopped lettuce. Add a little salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper. Next, mix the mixture thoroughly. After mixing, the next step is to fry them. Place the pan on the stove and add a little cooking oil. Spread the cooking oil evenly across the pan. Once the pan is hot, pour the egg mixture into the pan. Then spread it evenly with a fork. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes with the lid open, prepare 1 tomato and slice it into thin pieces. Arrange the tomato slices evenly across the surface of the pan. Then grate the cheese and sprinkle it evenly over the surface of the pan. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then cover with a lid and continue frying until the cheese melts. Once completed, boot from the disc. Cut the egg into bite-sized pieces and enjoy with a little soy sauce to enhance the flavor. This is an important step that helps make the fried egg not only visually appealing and delicious, but also preserves the nutrients from the fresh ingredients, resulting in a nutritious, smooth, and delicious dish. You can eat it with some sauce and add a few sesame seeds for extra flavor. Tip 3. The right heat and tips for fluffy egg drop soup. Adding eggs when the water is barely simmering. The temperature is too low, preventing the protein from coagulating immediately and causing it to dissolve into the water, making the soup cloudy and losing its clarity. Adding eggs when the water is boiling vigorously. Strong convection causes the eggs to coagulate quickly and clump together into large lumps, which are both unattractive and lose their smoothness. When the eggs are beaten thoroughly, the whites and yolks blend completely, helping to create finer and more even egg strands. Waiting for the water to boil before turning off the heat reduces convection in the pot, preventing the eggs from clumping together. When poured slowly and stirred gently, the protein layer will coagulate slowly, spreading softly in the soup, creating fluffy egg strands like clouds, a beautiful pale yellow color, easy to eat, and suitable for both children and adults. Turning off the heat before adding the eggs reduces water movement, reducing convection, helping the eggs spread evenly without clumping. The protein coagulates slowly, creating thin strands, resulting in clearer soup with a more appealing color. Let's go back to tip number 1. Here, I'll start with the finely ground eggshells without the Coca-Cola. I took them out to the vegetable garden and sprinkled them evenly on top. With this method, you can utilize eggshells as a valuable source of nutrients for plants, supplementing calcium and essential minerals, helping roots grow strong, and making the soil loose, porous, and nutrient-rich. I then stirred the remaining eggshells and Coca-Cola together. Then I took it out to the garden. You can use it to water each pot, but remember to only water with the right amount. This method not only helps in the full absorption of nutrients, but also improves soil quality, making the soil more porous, thus promoting healthy growth, lush green leaves, and a vibrant garden. This is a simple yet significant way of caring for the plant, both revitalizing it and creating a favorable environment for long-term growth. So that concludes the 3 helpful tips. I'll end today's video here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support motivates me to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.